What's going on? Hope everybody is well. A lot of wind this morning up for my morning walk. A little bit of rain on and off. It's rained a lot though last night. You could see by the puddles back there. Also too, one of my favorite little offs of this trail that leads down to another part of the river is underwater. I'll show you that in just a second. But all in all, I mean, it's not too bad. Still a nice morning for a walk. This trail is one of my favorite places to go for a morning walk. It's just beautiful, scenic, really nice. I enjoy it. Oh, here's where this, let me show you this, where it's underwater. That is normally a trail that leads back to a little dock. Really a cool little place where I like to launch my drone a lot. Of course, there is no drone flight this morning. Definitely not. I don't want to get that thing up in the air and lose it because of the wind. Show you another one of my favorite little spots to look out over the river here. At River Park. This is River Park Marina, by the way. It's got some boat launches over there. But right here, I like this view. See, that's the kind of stuff you can catch. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful morning, and God bless. Love you all. Take care. Actually, he's not bad. He's at least 12 inches. He's bigger than 12 inches, I bet.
Yeah.
That's